All right, hello and welcome everyone. Kenny here. I'm really excited for this. Don't really know why I'm unboxing a water block, but why not, I guess. Something to do. And I've never owned this brand. I've never used this brand. And honestly, it's one of the more unique looking water blocks I've seen online. So I'm actually excited to see kind of what it is. So we got and I'll apologize right away with, I'm going to assume this is Eisblock, Alphacool by Cool, German engineering, right? So exciting. I finally found a water block for my 3070. I decided to go ahead with that instead of waiting for a 3080 because I don't know. Who knows, whatever. And prices of GPUs are going up anyway. Might as well just enjoy the card I have now, right? Might as well. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. It's very heavy. The box is quite heavy. This is cool. Look at this parts like list and stuff. Nice. That's really neat. It actually shows you what it comes with, so you know if you're going to be shorted or not. Okay, so here we go. This must be the back plate. So this was 126 bucks off of Performance PCS or PCs or however you say their company name. The one that's in like Florida, I think they are. So this metal back plate is already really cold. Little logo there. So I think that thing's going to do a decent job of absorbing heat. Accessories. Zubor. I don't know how to say that. You can correct me in the comments below. Oh wow, they're even labeled. Okay, this is really a lot better than some kits that I have bought in the past where it's just kind of like, you figure it out. Is that how small those are? Those don't seem like G1/4, are they? It comes with thermal paste? Huh. Alright. I suppose. I mean, you're going to have to, technically. This is really... nicely packaged. Like, really nicely packaged. That is a giant water block. Holy crap. I'm starting to think like 126 bucks ain't even that bad. I still wish I could have had a 3080, but whatever. Can't wait to see what this thing can do. That is beautiful. That does look like G1/4, I think. Those are just really small. Oh, I suppose these plugs that they have on here are just, they don't have the oversized knurls on them because they come with a tool, which is nice. Wow. Looks really, really, really nice. I'd say I just thought it was really cool with these different O-rings and stuff like this, and looks kind of neat. And yeah, I will definitely be throwing in... oh yeah, here's your RGB strip here, so it kind of just goes through. I guess we'll see what that looks like vertical mounted like this, you know, because I'm going to probably do that again, but this is really heavy. That's crazy. It's like, oh, look at that. I mean, there's a really small strip here. That must be for like, what, the VRM stuff or something? I wonder what that hole, I wonder what this hole is for, I guess, technically. Strange. Logo. And then, so here's your RGB cord. I wonder how that works, because there's a... I see. So it's just your typical motherboard RGB header pin thing. So I guess we'll try and use it. I'm not sure how that's going to work because I don't know how to use RGB with my MSI motherboard because it conflicts with Corsair stuff and that's really annoying. But there you go. Unboxed water block. Really cool. I'm super excited to put this on. It's going to be probably a hell of a project taking down the MSI Gaming X Trio thing in installing all this, but we're going to do what we can to make it work. There you have it. One water block unboxed. Looks good. Can't wait to put the Corsair coolant in here and finally have that going, and that'll be a hell of a project, huh? Alright, stay tuned to the channel for that. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments below if you have any questions. Otherwise, leave a like if you enjoyed it. And yeah, stay tuned.